What's up? Welcome back. We've got the CLLIS electric spin scrubber. This is a shower scrubber, or you can use it to clean your car. You can use it to clean your kitchen, clean your shower, clean like your hot tub. I mean, this is super versatile. It's waterproof. Let's unbox it, and then we're going to try it out. So as we open it up, it's got several different pads, so you can see the different things you can use it on. You could use it to polish your car, clean your car. You could use it to like even dust. And then you've got almost like a scrubber. This is kind of like a bristle pad scrubber for a kitchen. Now, this is a cool one. It definitely is more like, it's more of a brush, like a hard brush. So this is really going to get dirt and grime. We would use stuff like this and this brush right here. We use this on shower tile, as well as in the hot tub. It really keeps things clean and gets all like the gunky grime off. Here you have some smaller like brushes that you can attach as well, and these are a little more refined. This is a little more rough, and this is a little smoother and fine. So that's how these are. Let's get the actual device out itself. All right, here's the unit. All we do to power, we unlock it. We need to, there we go. All right, so it's on. And then okay, so cool thing about it is I assume it's probably down here. There it is. See, I know my way around this stuff, guys. I review this stuff a lot. So it's got a USB-C charger. All you do is plug that in there and then plug the other end into a USB, and it's going to charge it up. That's what I like about these. They're going to hold a charge for a while, but anytime you need to recharge it, that's all you got to do. So we've got that. And here we've got the wand. So what this will do is, this will probably attach right here. Okay, I think we might remove this. Okay, this is super easy to use, guys. So when you want to attach the wand, first of all, you can use it like this. Oops, I already got it going. All right, so if you want to just use it like this, you can. But if you want to attach the wand, you just remove the bottom part and then insert this in there. All right, and that's on. And then under here, we can just screw this in place here. All right, so now it's a longer unit. And then what we can do here is, let's see, then we can unlock it and extend it. Wow, so this thing gets pretty high. I mean, you could see how you can get a pretty high window or something like that. That's cool. So you know what? Let's just put this on. And then we're going to put this on, and then we'll see out at the hot tub. So welcome to the hot tub, guys. This is the brush we like to use in the hot tub and also for shower tile because it just scrubs grime off. So all we do here is we hit. All right, so we hit the M button. Once it's on, powered on, then you hit the M button to do the different modes. So you can see different speeds. So it does 3 different speeds. 1, 2, and 3. What do we got here? Got a little thing there. All right, so so you can see it's waterproof. So you're able to really just kind of scrub off the grime, go under the water. This can go pretty much anywhere. And the thing about it is having the wand here allows you to really get in there without having to go in there yourself and get all wet. This thing's super easy to use. It's super versatile. You could use this on your car, your kitchen, your bathroom, your pool, your hot tub. Come up with different things you can use it on. Name them here. Your blank, your blank, your blank. Here's the point. Buy it.